This is the review for the KRUPS with 5 variable temperature settings. It's very well made. It's very sturdy on its base. It's seamless. It handles really well. It pours very well. It has all stainless steel on the inside. Even the temperature gauge, which will show up on the outside, always reads the temperature. It has a true 1.7 liter fill capacity, so plenty of water can get boiled at one point. It boils very fast and has a water filter also, a strain that is stainless steel. It will have 5 settings. The highest is 212 for coffee, which comes on automatically when you press the boil button. So it's one beep and there the 212 temperature shows up and it starts boiling immediately. I haven't measured how fast it boils, but it boils really fast. When you want to have different temperatures that are not quite as hot for oolong tea, white tea, or hot chocolate, you simply go through the options. Let's say you want 195. You let it just leave there. It beeps once and then it will start boiling. It will shut off itself when it reaches that temperature. The outside, even at super hot boiling, is barely lukewarm, barely, completely safe. And yeah, I might have found my perfect kettle right here, which I will keep after 5 tries.